turn things around. Rachel Priest straight away off the mark. A little release shot down to third. Catchable height, but just uses the gap down to Mack at third. Priest goes high. Mack is racing around and just falls short. A little teaser to finish off the first over for the Hobart Hurricanes and the Adelaide Strikers. There's that full length that Rachel Priest does like to go with. Protection on the boundary, and surprise, surprise, Bridget Patterson probably in the hot spot. Happy to work it along the ground this occasion. Does well. She'll work the single. She'll stay on strike for the start of the third over as well. The Hurricanes now none for 11. That's skied straight up in the air. There should be an opportunity here for the Strikers to take their first wicket, and Wellington finishes it off.
Beautifully bowled there by Darcy Brown. Perfect length on this wicket.
Yeah, Johnston just not able to get her balance on that pull shot. Rushed a little bit. Great hard length there.
Rachel Priest on strike, and it's up and over. An interesting field position that Talia McGrath has employed for the Adelaide Strikers. Straight up in the air, straight over the umpire's head, and it's just probably going to plug in this ground. We have had a little bit of rain around Launceston.
I would like to see Miron go back onto the boundary. I think that's such a power. That's her A game. Anything full, she's going to look to hit down the ground.
On the drive, finds the gap through the offside. They're going to have to run it, the Hobart Hurricanes. And that'll be a confidence booster. Along that line there, but Mignon du Preez completely up to the challenge. Hits the ball a little bit later, a little bit more control, and finds the boundary.
She's adjusted beautifully here. Under her eyes, hit the ball late, didn't look to overhit it, and that full...
As Rachel Priest pulls that very, very nicely indeed to the square leg boundary.
Is in at the moment. It's the most important thing is just to get clarity, and
in the air, straight to McGrath. She's not going to put that down. She is in brilliant form. And there we go, another wicket in the power play for the Adelaide Strikers, and it's huge.
But a worth there. Priest just not getting to the pitch of the ball, throwing her hands. Powerful strike.
After the power play.
Goes after that one. The field is up for Coit. And it's going to have to be a lot of running done today across this Invermay Park surface. It's Amanda Jade Wellington into the attack.
Perfect opportunity for Wellington to come into the attack now.
Across the crease, trying to open up the onside, and that's gone all the way. Don't worry about manoeuvring it around and getting up and down the wicket. Mignon du Preez, you just go away.
Now, I wonder if it's the rain we're starting to see fall, just starting to get these Hurricanes players.
Flicked nicely there by Nicola Carey.
Yep, Penna back into the attack. Well, first over for this match, but she's someone who's played a nice role for the Strikers. Very tricky to get away.
Yeah, that's nice from Nicola Carey. Just waited patiently till it got past the crease line and finds the gap.
And I'm not sure I'd class her as a leggy, but probably strictly speaking, she does sort of bowl out the back of the hand.
And a little paddle from Carey, so she went with power through the offside, a little bit of placement to the onside.